Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the time zone in your account on Cloudflare. So let us guide you through this. So guys, there are two different time zones you can choose from here in your account on Cloudflare. UTC or your local time zone, for example, aligned with your operating system's time zone and location. So what you want to do is navigate to your account on Cloudflare, log into it, click into profile icon top right and select profile here. Next, navigate to settings on the left hand side, and here in your account settings, click into the drop down menu next to time zone. And as previously mentioned guys, there are these options. So your time zone you select from here will be aligned with your system's time zone. So if you move to another place and change your location and your operating system's time zone on your computer, for instance, it will be aligned also with this option here, or you can switch to UTC. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.